Alright, what is up guys? So here we're back for another video today. Finally doing these headlights. Getting this headlight problem fixed. Because I know you guys remember the last video where I was talking about my car being messed up and what happened and stuff. So finally got all the parts to make this headlight. And we got the halos. We got the sea lights. We got bulbs. And we can't forget the paint that's downstairs and sealant. We're gonna go make some custom headlights, boys. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. Already got the headlight out, front bumper off. And we're gonna fix this today. Stock, custom, Rocco. So I don't think anyone's ever met you.
How y'all doing?
The HVAC technician right here.
Yes, sir.
Master HVAC technician.
Trying.
Pretty easy to take it apart. Show you guys the process. Pretty simple, right, Rock?
Mm-hmm. Not bad. Done worse, for sure.
This is the headlight man himself.
Mm-hmm.
The legend.
These headlights come with clips all the way around them. And the first thing you got to do is try to release the clips. Otherwise, you go hacking on it, they'll all break. It's okay if you get one or two that break, but the goal is to avoid that because it does help secure it on here. But the main thing that holds this thing on is all 6 or 8 of those screws is where you're gonna make your money. So right now I'm just kind of gently going around it, releasing the clips. I don't know if you can see that. You can kind of see it clips on like this. Heard the snap, and then once you get in there, you just kind of release it a little bit, and then you know you're all right. Once you get that far, you're good. You can go pulling on it however you want.
So you're ordering pizza Austin?
Yes, I did.
Alright, that's Austin.
It's a good $25 right there.
What?
Yeah.
I didn't know you had $25.
Man, Austin said, "Hey, Rock, you got cash on you?" Rock was like, "Yep." Let's order the whole fucking menu.
There you go. We're eating good tonight.
Once you get this far on the Subaru, we're pretty much in the clear. You can wedge it. You don't even need an oven for this, really. If you wanted to do it super efficiently, you have one of those small razor knives that people use for window tinting. It'd be a breeze, but you go in here like this and you kind of just cut the glue. See it kind of cutting itself? It's like gutting a deer.
Oh my god. How did you compare the two?
That's what it reminded me of. Anybody who's ever got a deer is going to say, yep, that's exactly what it looks like. Alright, you're pretty good. Hold on one sec. Once you get it this far where you can get one hand in one like this, you can kind of just be careful. Cut right here.
Why is that so satisfying?
A little bit more right there. This glue is so weird. That's it.
That was very satisfying.
You can actually...
Was that not satisfying to you? That was like extremely
Play
satisfying.
some elevator music
Look
in the
at
background.
You're like,
Look at it up close.
what's up with this one? This is different than the other glue.
This is really weird. It's almost like silly putty.
Ew, it is.
But I bet you can reuse this glue. No problem.
Feel it.
Oh.
Yeah.
It feels like slime.
Oh.
Once you're that far, it's just held on by like 4 screws. 1, 2. Where's the other one? 1, 2, 3. 3 screws, and then this whole assembly pops on out. I find it's better to, once you do that, kind of keep this upside down on a surface. That way no dust or nothing gets underneath of it. So when you go back, you won't have any dust underneath your light.
Alright, so you got the housing painted, match color to metallic gray. You got the sea light here and the halo in there. We ran all the wires down here. Had zip tied. Nice little cutter zip ties, so this just will connect right here. Turn them on for you. So you can see the halo in there. So let's see. for the sea light, the halo. Then we got LED bulb and LED high beam. All LED, got it all connected. Do the same thing the other side. Pretty good.
This is kind of a weekend warrior project. This is normally when I do headlights, I send them off to people to paint them, but this is all right if you're doing it yourself, a little DIY. But 8 to 12 inches away, and we just start real light.
I got a new can if you just want to use that.
Alright, this should be alright. We'll do this first.
Alright, so that's the finished product right there. See if my camera can pick up on it. We're about to throw the halos on. What do you put on the back?
This is the JB stick weld. It's the kind of stuff that you cut it into little pieces and squish it together. But when you do it, you want to use gloves. I know it sounds kind of silly, but you want to use gloves because this stuff, when you touch it a lot, it gets really sticky and it's prone to fingerprints. So you might not realize it right away, but when you go put your headlight back in, you'll see little fingerprints that you'll never get off. So do gloves when you're placing that. And then once you do that, you should be good. What we'll do is feed this wire. We cut a notch. I don't know if you can see that. You have to Dremel out a notch.
There we go.
You have to Dremel out that notch to allow for space for the wire to go through, so that it will sit flush. So once we do that, something like that, it sits for a sec.
It's like the small things, and all the small things add up.
Oh yeah. I'm like pretty OCD with the little things. I don't know if you can see back in here too. Once you get it all set, you can kind of tuck it up along the housing, and it creates like a triangular seal, so that way it will never come out. I don't know if that makes sense. Hopefully you guys can see kind of what I did. Like, just smooth it around on the inside once you have the bead set. And you can probably see it looks super clean from the other side once it's all said and done. Some minor adjustments, but pretty much there. Yeah, it looks real clean. Alright, let's get that sea light in here.
The fuck do you mean you saw a mouse get in there?
Dude, it ran in. Oh my god, come here. It's behind the barrel.
No way.
It's behind the barrel on the wall.
Is it on? Are you serious?
It's on the wall behind the barrel.
Are you serious?
You see it?
Holy, is it that? Oh shit! Alright, hey, Austin, I'm gonna get it your way, alright?
Get it my way. I can get it your way. Holy shit!
Oh shit!
That's a rat! Give me the
That ain't no goddamn mouse, boy!
Barrel.
You still see it?
Yes!
Chase
I'm
it out.
staring right at it. Stop, no! Shit's gonna come flying in my face.
Let me see. Where's that?
Get in
Right
there, Rob.
there.
Here,
Get in there,
you get it
Rob.
with the arrow?
You get it. You're
Get in there, Rob.
I'll get in there. You ain't gonna like this.
Don't let it leave the bathroom. We're never gonna find it. It's up more.
Hold on. Oh, I see it. Hold on.
Oh, I got him. I got him.
Tell me when he's coming. Tell me when he's coming.
Oh!
Oh! No!
Now I gotta look out the flashlight for this bit.
Alright, so you run the sea light and the halo outside the bottom of the headlight. Run it down here. You get the two connectors right there. And you right down to where the turn signal is at. put the adapter piece on. Connect it back to the fog light, the turn signal. 2 quick connects. Everything has quick connects, and all the connections are right in here. Pretty simple. Boom, 1. There's the next one. Work your way down the chain. Boom. The black and yellow gives you switchbacks, and the red and white your power. So actually, just press the emergency.
Hazards.
Yeah, the hazards. There we go. There we go. Jump. I would advise. Okay, go ahead.
Advise what? I'm not touching the gas.
Okay, if you're not gonna touch the gas, then you're fine. All right, Rock.
Can drive with it.
Go ahead. Oh God. Oh no.
Never mind.
It's a racing clutch, dude. There you go. Oh.
Oh, fuck. I don't want to fuck it up anymore. I have to play with it more.
Yeah, I know how to do it.
Alright guys, so we're back home now. I guess as you guys saw in the video that the lights look pretty good. The sea lights and the halos look great. All the bulbs look good. We got everything back fitted perfectly. You just follow the instructions. The connections are pretty easy. I wanted to come back here and show you guys what exactly I used. So for the bulbs, I got this off Subi Speed. You got OLM bulbs, the high beams and low beams. I got the same model. Like there's 3 different kinds. I got the second model, which was like the medium one, medium brightness, which I thought were extremely bright. Next one up was an extra $100, and those probably were gonna be way too bright. I got those as the high beams and low beams. Then next coming up, we got the Diode Dynamic. This is the halos. I waited 4 months for these. Good wait, really long ass wait, well worth it. Then for the sea lights, I got the same ones. Sea lights, Diode Dynamics, the sea lights. This I got off Subi Speed. I got all the quick connects, pretty easy, made it easy to install. And then finishing up, I didn't use all of this. This was the sealant for the headlights. I only used maybe about half of it. Also got this off Subi Speed. As you can see on the WRX, that the lights, the sealant for the lights are pretty easy to take off. A lot of people will go bake them in the oven. It's a lot easier to take off. A lot of headlights, it's nearly impossible to take off just manually, so you have to bake them anyway. It's a pretty easy process. I want to put this video out there for you guys. See anyone that needs help, they can take a quick look at this video and see if they like it and how to do it. Give you a little bit of understanding. I mean, there's more in-depth videos. This is more of a general. You kind of learn as you go, you know. Rocco's been doing headlights for a while. Long time. I've done quite a little bit too. I've helped him out on him doing some too. He has his own business and everything, so we got it done. I think it looks pretty good. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you like what you saw, please leave a like. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and then don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.